Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can merge audio and video on CapCut PC. So get your video and you're just going to then select your audio and add it like here. And to merge it, super simple, you can either just group them, but if you really want to merge it into one single clip, I'll just edit this a little bit so it's the same size. I'll just select both of them, right click, and then select create compound clip. You can use compound clips for basically anything. You can add in some effects on top, some stickers as well, and etc. And you can essentially select everything, right click, create compound clip, and it's going to be in that one same clip. So that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!